Hello, good morning. This is a house which was affected during the flood on 7th, 8th July. The water level was this much of height approximately, and fully house is collapsed. The family was staying here. Roof has collapsed and they need immediate relief because this family is taken and migrated somewhere else for time being. This is another house. The wall has collapsed, mud wall, and all the things like cot, cupboard, everything is gone under the wall. This is another house. The house, water, mud, everything is gone inside. See, the water has gone inside, and all the clothes, bags, everything, the livelihood. See here, the water is oozing. All this kitchen has become mess. You can see everything is wet. See, this one more house fully collapsed. Nothing is left. There's a housekeeper. We can't even go from here to see.
सरकारनं काय मदत केली? सरकारनं काय केली का?
सरकारने काय चाय पाणी देणार आणि काय देणार सरकार.
Dear friends and benefactors, as you can see in the background, these are some of the houses that have collapsed over here. We were also informed that a 70-year-old lady who was here was up to the neck filled with water that had poured due to the rains. She has now, and I think it is really God's providence that she's actually survived. The family members were in Mumbai. They have come and they have taken her. So you can see the destruction that has been caused over here. And this is all close to the vicinity of the bishop's house. And this is the first this kind of resort that they can help people.
धान्य हां. See this rice.
पूर आला ना रात्री अचानक पाणी आलं साफ पण झालं घरात कोण नव्हतं सोडा पूर्ण गेलं
All this grain.
2019च्या पुरामुळे आम्ही बांधलंच नाही सरकार काय
हो 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 ते खूपच आता वाज बीस. हां हां हां. This is another house who got massive loss. Everything, the whole house is collapsed. Roof has come down, walls have gone down. You can see.
पहिले पडले मग हे पडले मग ते पडले.
You can see total house, big house has collapsed. I cannot go inside because there's no way to go. So all this.
This is the
All that flow here.
आता नुसतं कपाट उघडले ना त्यांनी तिकडचे.
हा 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 थोडं थोडे माहिती काढल्या ना त्यांच्या आता ते वस्तू
All this water came.
मग मासे कोण कोण काढले कपाटात आमच्या वाड्यातलेच लोक असले काढून देतात.
There's one family. Now they are shifted somewhere. They cannot stay.
yeah.
आताच बनलं देवाचं.
Breeze will have a little, but this is because water, no? It's so. You can see this is another house. This is damaged fully.
त्यांचं घर तिकडे सुद्धा आहे आमच्या घर इकडे सुद्धा एवढं इथं काय पाहिजे ना तेवढं ते त्यांनी केलेलं आमचं बोरिंग फोरिंग सर्व असेल हात हात मस्त
These walls have gone.
अनेक वर्ष ते हा 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 आता त्यांचं काल कॉलेजपासून आम्हाला हे दिलं रिप्लाय दिलं की कोणी काय पडलं तर आम्हाला सांगा आम्ही काय काय देतो त्यांना. एक गाडी होती 15 ट्रक होता आणि त्याच्यात आम्ही आम्हाला करायची नंतर पोचवायची फिरायची भरलेली गाडी होती. ट्रक ड्रायव्हर होती काँग्रेसमध्ये यायला 5 मिनिटं त्याच्या आदिवासी अंग बाहेर काढ सगळ्यांना
Only
आणि
this
घर
remained
शाळा
because
खाला
of
पडत
this.
येईल
They have put this, no?
पुरे सगळे खाला खाला.
चिऱ्याचे siding म्हणून.
सगळ्या उचलून द्यायला पण बाहेर काढून पुढे 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 चालत
आणि ते हांगासर इतले म्हणजे वॉटर वॉज अप टू द नेक. हे त्या लेवलीक आणि ऑन हायवे इट वॉज फ्लोईंग लाईक अ रिव्हर. हां, सी हिअर हाऊ मच वॉटर. If you go down, see the ladies and all it is too. Yeah. So in the even these houses are good. Water has passed through in and out. Come here if you want to.
Good morning, dear friends and benefactors of Street Providence. Today we have the honor and privilege to meet our Bishop of Sindhudurga, who belongs to the neighboring diocese of Goa. Dear friends, as you know, the last 7 days we have been having continuous rains. Goa has been affected, but much more than Goa is our neighboring diocese of Sindhudurga. It is in these circumstances the bishop reached out to Street Providence in what way we would be able to help. And today, as I said, Bishop would tell us, and we have come to be of some assistance. Dear benefactors, all your contributions is going to the right people and at the right time. We reach out, and as we say, we dream, we dare to dream for the difficult times that are ahead. Thank you very much, Bishop, for being with us. And could you tell us what has happened over here?
You know, on the 7th of July, we had gone to wish one priest on his birthday. When we returned back, we found that we could not enter the bishop's house. It was all flooded. So we were almost 1 hour with the water. Then we shifted ourselves to Don Bosco School. And when I went to Don Bosco School, I saw a lot of ladies there. I was wondering, they said all the area was flooded. And therefore the ladies were shifted to Don Bosco. I'm really grateful to Don Bosco priest for giving accommodation. Some was shifted to this hall close by here. Now many have taken the houses on rent, they're staying there. But the water in some places was up to 8 to 10 feet. Yeah. Everything got, a lot of houses have come down. I visited personally every house. A lot of freezes and all the gazettes are gone. The grains disappeared off. And even the money.
Yeah, a lot of
money.
destruction.
Yeah. So then we said, okay, we have to do something. And so we tried to apply to a lot of agencies, but nobody came for the help. Then we said, okay, we'll ask the parishioners, every parish, to contribute something. I wrote to my friends and to my family. With that, we collected about 4 lakhs now, and we hope to get another 1 or 2 lakhs more. We'll see what we can do for these people.
As you know, friends, the Diocese of Sindhudurga is it's a new diocese. New diocese in the sense, no doubt, about 10 years back. But it is a very financially not strong diocese. It has to be, it is dependent. And what better person than Father Alvin, Bishop Alvin Pareto, who comes from a very good family. He has gone out, reached out to his own family members to help out. If such is the decision, we ask our benefactors that you all also contribute and help the Diocese of Sindhudurga, because a lot of people over here do require this assistance, which is very essential to them. I understand quite a number of houses also have collapsed.
Yeah, many houses have
collapsed. Yeah.
Both here, in Azra side, and even Kudal side.
Kudal side. To the extent these are not, while it is okay that the Catholic Church reaches out to only the Catholics, but here everyone, even the non-Catholics, look for towards the Bishop's house in some way or the other. And as usual, the Catholic Church always has a big footprint, a large heart, and is always generous to help all those who are in need and who are in difficult situations. So dear benefactors, please extend your help. And as you know, Street Providence has always gone where difficult situations are there. And we assure Bishop that today we have brought along with us some dry ration, we have got some mats, we have got then after some food for all this thing, and we have handed over to Bishop. Bishop has been very grateful to us, and we have assured that we'll keep extending our assistance to him.
As a thank you, I want to share with you. Some Catholics went to help the Catholic families, and then my accountant happened to go to that area, and the Hindus asked, your Catholics help only the Catholics, what about us? We are also very poor. And so we have decided that we help everybody, whether Catholics, Hindus, Muslims, whatever, whoever needs help will be there. And I also take this opportunity to thank especially the all 3 of you who have come here to help us, and all the benefactors. Okay? May God bless you, and you're welcome anytime in Sindhudurga.
Thank you.